verifying your email, you can see here that I will talk about email verification. You'll go to profile. On the profile, go to profile again and verify your email address. A message will be sent to your email, so you need to verify it. After that, you go to identity verification, which is just right here. So you'll put the country, account, document type. If it's a national ID card, you upload national ID card, and upload the old file. After uploading it, you might get a series of the ID you're using for verification must be a scanned copy and a cropped copy of the ID. If you're using a national ID card, don't worry, I'll follow you step by step and I'll do that, so you have nothing to worry about. Address verification, forget about that, they will be asking it. So you might get a series of trial and errors, but don't worry, it's worth it. So let's dive into this content really sharp so that we won't waste too much time on verification alone. So after creating an account, so to get your account created, if your national ID card or whatever you're using is not accepted, so let's find an alternative that y'all can use. So now we're going. So let me log in an account. One of my accounts. Let's see. Let me go with this one and log in. So wait for it to open. This account is the one I use most of the videos actually. So now we go to finance and go to deposit. In my former videos, I've been talking about deposit and different methods of profit money, or but on this very video, you won't be using any of that. So the Stella you bought from the Stella you bought here, you bought on Paybase. You put it on your Binance account, and from your Binance account, say you have Stella worth of something, so you can transfer Stella. I know you all know how to do that. Then need to go to steps like that. So but if you still need it, you can just message me and tell me. I'll put link in the description. So you go to pocket option and choose an USDT. If you want to use USDT, don't use bonus, then use promo code. So click on, and you can redirect that to somewhere where you go. Let's say you're using Tron, the product code you want to use is Tron or ERC20. Let's say ERC20. Then you're gonna call. All you need is to copy this address and go to your Binance and deposit USDT to this account. So after you funded your pocket option account, you can use any method, any of the methods here. You can use any of the methods if you like. You can use like coin, you can use Binance coin, you can use Ethereum, you can use Bitcoin Cash, you can use TrueUSD, you can use Zcash, USDK, you can use XRP or Ripple. You can use any of the method you like here. If you want to use Stellar, if you want to use Stellar, well actually I would advise you to use Stellar directly from pocket option, because they have some kind of it's a manual transaction. So I know y'all won't want that, so you shouldn't use that either. So what you're gonna do now is after making the transaction, so you go on Visa card. The reason why we deposit via crypto is just for us to have crypto in withdrawal method. So let's say we deposit $100. So wait for it. It will just wow, the rate of dollars is going down. The last time we checked is for 1,550. Now it's for 1,433. Now you put your card information, you put amount there on CVV and click on pay. So pay information will put your A file. So you're on pay, and you have let's say you deposit 50 USD from your USD wallet to your pocket option, and now you put on 41,000 from your account. Let's make a calculation. So let's say you'll be having your account will be having 150 USD. The reason why we can use Binance is because y'all can take the money back to Binance. You can use Binance to get the money to Binance.